Mao annexed this region 50 years ago. The Uyghur, Muslims of Turkish origin, are in the majority and don't feel Chinese. Today they number 8 million. Beijing has granted them fake autonomy. Officially, a Uyghur governs the province, but he remains under the regime's orders. Over the last 2 years, anti-Chinese attacks have increased, leaving dozens of people dead and hundreds wounded. The Uyghur want their independence. That's why Xinjiang is the most militarized province in China. It's estimated that 1 in 3 Chinese here work for the security forces, a reality that must be hidden from the eyes of the world. During these checks and demonstrations, many Uyghurs have been arrested. Some have never been tried or returned to their families. They've disappeared. The family of one of those missing agreed to meet us. We enter the old part of Kashgar. For added security, we conduct our interview while driving through the traffic. But the workers aren't Uyghur.
The company is Chinese, and then they will find their own people. They will give this project to the Chinoise company. In the government offices, all of them are Chinese. First they will choose them, and then...
The whole of Islam is forbidden to those under 18 and members of the Communist Party. To make sure that they don't come to prayer, every entrance is monitored. This child and his father are turned away. They've been spotted by the security services. Here, they're Uyghurs paid by the government. They're easy to recognize. They're the only ones remaining outside. We're not allowed in either. China doesn't like to show the crowds in the mosques. Both victims and propagators of this propaganda, the Uyghur can't escape it. It even follows them into the fields, in open countryside. It reminds them that Beijing isn't far away. Our guide continues to lie.
How many Han are there here?
He said, not so much.
The interpreter recites his lessons well. Above all, don't let strangers know that the Han are colonizing the region.
Here in Xinjiang, we are given a lot more. Here there's a lot of work.
On the way back, just before we arrive in Kashgar, we drive past the state's strike force, a building site stretching for miles on end. All of these buildings have been financed by the city of Canton, at the other end of China. They will soon be inhabited by thousands of Cantonese, coming to profit from the Uyghur bonanza.
Am I the reason you get stoned every week now? Build up integrity, got you texting, emailing me, wanting me to feel with you. Baby, just face reality, move on. Sometimes it's hard to face reality.